Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to copy and paste any text from an image. This method makes use of an app called TextSniper here. So when you run the app, TextSniper is not showing the app on the screen, it's actually running in the menu bar right here. So what this app does is that it allows you to take a picture of anything that contains text and then extract the text from that image for you. So if you take a look at here, we have capture text, read QR or barcode. You can also import from your devices. Like in this situation, you can import from iPhone or iPad, but your device have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi. So we'll take a look at the preferences first. So we'll go to shortcuts here, and you can see here, these shortcuts you can customize it to the way you want. Like if you want to capture text, you click on Command Shift number 2. You want to read QR or barcode, you click Command Shift number 1. Because I am using another app that use this command in order to stop recording the screen, I cannot use the same command, so I have to change this command right now. I click on cross. Let me choose Command 2. Okay, so right there, so command number 2. So if I click command number 2, it will show me something like this. I just select where I want to capture. So in this situation, I want to capture, let's say this here, this app called Zoom. I want to capture the word right there. Capture it, say copy to clipboard, and you can paste it. Zoom, so easy. So it turns any image into text conveniently and quickly. Again, let's say you go to YouTube, you want to copy the title. Let's say this title right here. I'm going to copy it. Again, click command number 2, select it. Done, copy to clipboard, just paste it in. Click on command V, see? Again, if we go to its settings or preferences to see more options there. If you take a look at recognition language, if you click on it, it also recognizes French, Italian, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese Simplify, and Chinese Traditional. And another cool thing is that you can also allow this app to text to speech. If you click on this feature, every time you select a text, it will read for you. And you still can copy it. So let's say I select text to speech. And then again, let's say I want to take a picture of this word right here, this image. I click on command 2, select it.
Counter-Strike condition 0.
As you can hear, it actually copy and read the word for you, and you still can paste it there. And another cool feature that I want to show you is import from iPhone. So if you're connected to the same Wi-Fi, it will automatically detect it, and you can command your iPhone to take picture of something or scan documents or add sketch. So if I click on take photo, it will turn on my iPhone, and it will turn on my iPhone camera, allow me to take a picture of something that has words on it. It will detect those words from what you've taken using your phone and allow you to copy and paste on your Mac, which is really cool. I'm going to show you now. So click on it, and as you can see on my iPhone screen here, let's say I want to take a picture of this mouse that has the word Logitech on it. Take a picture, and then I click on use photo. When I click on use photo, it will send whatever text that it sees through this image to my computer. It will copy to the clipboard. Click use photo.
LOS Logitech.
So as you can hear at the moment, let's paste it. Yeah, it detects the word Logitech, but I don't know why it can see the word LOL. Maybe it sees the word in the photo. Let's try something else. I want to turn off this feature text to speech, because the text to speech, they use robot, it doesn't sound really like human-like. I just turn it off. And try again, import from iPhone, take a photo. I'll take a picture of this bottle here. Okay, so I will use this now. And you copy the clipboard. Let's paste it and see what it looks like here. This is what it sees from the bottle at the moment. So it can recognize most of that. See, this is really cool. You can just take a picture of anything around you and it will be transferred or copy and paste directly into your Mac. We'll try another feature here. So again, we're going to click on import from iPhone, but this time we click on scan documents. It will activate my iPhone now, as you can see. And let's take a picture of this. So I click on save now. You see it's a copy to clipboard, and we just go to notes, paste. So see, this is all the texts from my document at the moment. The feature that I cannot make it work is add sketch. I try to add sketch by drawing some sketch of a text, but it doesn't recognize. For example, like here, I try to add something to it. Let's say I put HIO. I click on done. You can see they say no data detected. The other feature works fine. Take photos, scan documents, or this one as well that I haven't shown you is read QR code. Alright, let's say we have this text right here, and we turn this text into QR code, and we paste it right here, and we click generate QR code. Now we have the QR code. Okay, we go to this app, read QR code or barcode. We select that QR code. We say copy it to clipboard. So we go to notes, right click, click on paste. See, that's the text from the QR code that we just scanned at the moment. So you can see this app is really cool. It can turn any images containing text and copy the text from those images and allows you to paste it onto your Mac to use. So this app is really beneficial for those who kind of love to take pictures containing text and you want the text from that image immediately. This is the best way to do it. So if you're interested in this app, all the links are in the description. You can check it out. Okay, that's it guys. This is TextSniper, one of the best apps that can turn any image into text instantly. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.